Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add animated text to our Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a draft for my Instagram story, and let's just add text first to our Instagram story. I'm just going to add city light. Okay, and if we want to add animation to this text, we can go to the section. As you can see guys, there are some features right here. This one is for changing the color of the text, and this one is for adding the background for this text, and the last one is for adding animation to our text. And I'm just going to add the background first, and if we want to add animation, we can click on this icon, and here we have to choose the type of the text. Each type has its own animation, so I'm going to try it one by one. Okay, and I'm gonna go with this one guys, like the typewriter animation. And once we're done choosing the type of the animation, we can click on done, and this is the result. Once we're ready, we can share this story by clicking on this your story option. Alright guys, and that's how we can add animated text to our Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.